Hi guys, so I just put Grayson down for a nap and I'm going to show you how to use the new Bondi Boost hair wand. I talked about Bondi Boost in my stories the other day, and I have been playing around with this for a couple of days now, and now that I kind of feel more comfortable with using it, I know I promised a tutorial, so I'm going to show you guys how I apply it on my hair. It is so convenient. It is literally 5 minutes and you're done, and it gives you just this effortless beachy wave look. So I just washed and dried my hair. I used the HG shampoo and conditioner, and then I also used the intensive spray and a heat protectant. So I have such thin hair that I do not have to layer it with this, but if you have longer hair, thicker hair, extensions, anything like that, you might want to do it in sections. It also comes with this super handy mitt if you are worried about burning your fingers or something with the heat, but I use curling irons and straighteners all the time, so I rarely use that, but it's there for your convenience. And also, highly recommend this while we're on the topic of hair. So I just got this wet brush in. It's the Speed Dry, and it is amazing, especially when you're blow drying your hair, because it has this little vent in the back. So my hair dry time has lessened by a whole bunch just by using that brush. So the wand goes up to 210 degrees and it goes as low as 80. So I turn mine up to the highest heat setting, and I just kind of start in the front. And all you have to do is just kind of work your way from the roots all the way down. Just be careful not to get it too close to your scalp because it will burn and that would not feel good. So I kind of just hold it for a few seconds and work my way down. Okay, all done. Less than 5 minutes and effortless beachy waves. I am in love. So worth the money.